Hello everyone. We're going to learn how to freeze panes. We're going to make it easy on you for when you have that worksheet that has column after column of numbers, dates, titles, names, anything that you find challenging while you're viewing a worksheet. So I'm going to go up top here where I have home. I'm scrolling over to view. I'm going to click on view. I'm scrolling down, diagonal down to the right, where I get to freeze panes. Now I want to be able to view my row 1 as I scroll through this document. So I want to see the titles of row 1 so I would not get confused. What I have here is accepted training anniversary. This is just my little made up example of having some information in that could be confusing if I had like maybe 200 or 2,000 rows of information regarding dates. So I click on the drop box for the freeze panes and I'm going to freeze the top row. Now as I click on it, I want you to pay attention to what's going to happen here immediately at the bottom of row 1. I'm going to click on freeze top row and a line populates. It's a little faint, but it's a line that's populated. This is my cue that now the frames have been frozen, and every time that I scroll through, I'm going to have row 1 So see, as I scroll through the document, row 1 is populated. And that is how you freeze panes. Now, just a little extra here is that if you no longer want to have that popping up every time you're looking at something, is maybe you've been viewing this document multiple times and you know what every column is, you can go to freeze panes and you can unfreeze panes. And the line is no longer populated. As I go over to scroll down, row 1 is no longer viewable. And that is how we unfreeze panes.